Hi there. Sometimes there are 3D printed parts we need to glue together. And if we want extra bond between the parts, we can weld the materials. You don't need to buy any fancy stuff for this, just an old soldering iron. Now here's how you can do this. Wait for the soldering iron to heat up, then on the two edges, melt the material the following way. Go in around 2 to 4 millimeters, then repeat the process a few millimeters further. If you're welding any type of plastic, try to avoid breathing in the smoke from it. The burnt area produces toxic gases and particles. It is important to use more walls when you slice the file. At least 3 walls will help this process. The second part is to melt the plastic protruding from the plane back to its place. Take your time with it. Melt the plastic, then push it back with the soldering iron. It looks bad, but try to separate the parts. The parts will hold very well. You need to break it if you want to separate them again. If you're ready with that, cut down the rest. As you can see, you don't need to melt all the way. 2 or 3 section will do the job. Have fun! And thanks for the likes and subscribes. See you on the next video.